With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the quantities remaining constant in a collision are. So if you analyze any collision, what will happen during collision? Let's take two body and the two body collide. So during the collision, the both will be acted by a normal reaction that will be very high in magnitude, and the normal reaction will act in opposite direction during the line of impact, right? So this is the line of impact, right? So in this direction, normal reaction will act on the both body for a very short time interval. That is, we can say this as impulse, right? Which is change in momentum, right? So if you take this as a system, right, so you can see there is no external force, right? There is internal force which is doing work also, but there is no external force, right? So if there is no external force, then there won't be any acceleration of the center of mass, since we know that the acceleration of the center of mass is net external force by total mass. And if there is no acceleration of the center of mass, then its velocity will also be constant. So if the velocity is constant, so you can say the system momentum is equals to total mass into velocity of center of mass, which is constant, right? And if we talk about the kinetic energy, right, then we know that the normal reaction will do work on the two, right? The normal reaction will do net work on the two unless it is a completely perfectly elastic collision, right? There would be network of this normal reaction, so kinetic energy may change. And if I talk about the temperature, so during the collision the temperature may change, since there will be some friction force because of this like relative motion, right? There is a relative motion, because of that friction force will act, right? So the temperature can change, so only momentum will remain constant, momentum, but neither kinetic energy nor temperature. So D will be the correct option.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.